how to add music to Instagram posts with multiple photos. If you found this video helpful, click that subscribe button and that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are uploads in this channel. So what we will do right now is go to our Instagram. So opening up Instagram, the first thing to do is add a post. So that's clicking on the plus icon. And also what we would do right now is go to Reels. And then to add some media, click on the plus icon at the bottom left. So right now I am going to select some media. And I am going to select multiple medias. Just for you to see. Okay, I selected 4. Click on next. So this will sync the clips to the audio. Just wait for the process. And there you go. You can also change the music of your choice, or you can search it, or you can also choose from the ones here. So it is syncing clips to audio. So once you are satisfied, just click on next. So this will process the video. And then you will have a preview of this, which you can also put some effects, or you can also save. Just click on next, and after that click on next again. And you can also share it. By sharing, it will be posted in your profile. And you can also type in a caption here. So that's it for this tutorial, and thank you for watching.